Hello everyone and welcome to MasterexcelNow. And in this quick video, I would show you how to use a formula to identify if a student has passed the class or has he failed. So I have a couple of student names and I have their scoring from three different subjects, English, Maths, and Science, and a total score that they have achieved, which is in column E. Then I have the minimum passing score, which is 150. So here I need to update their status. So normally I would compare that 121 is less than 150 and I would say fail. However, I can do it very simply using a formula which is equals to if, then you open up your bracket and you select the cell where you have your total score is greater than and equal to, because 150 is a part. If somebody has achieved 150, that is a pass, right? Is greater than equal to, and then you select your target score, which is minimum 150, comma, double quotes open, pass, double quotes closed, comma. Now, if it is greater than equal to 150, he's a pass, else it's a fail. So again, double quotes, fail, and double quotes closed, brackets closed, and you hit enter. All you need to do is either copy the formula or you can select the range and say Control D. So only one person, which is John Doe, has failed, and everybody else is on a higher number. Let's give it a try and let's make it, let's say 12. And here we need to update the formula. So let's use a sum function here, sum, and then we copy this formula all the way down. So here it's still passed. Let's make it, let's say 22. Now it turned it to a fail. Furthermore, what you could do is you could place a conditional formatting into this so that you can identify it by color. And that can be done by first selecting cell G2, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells, and text that contains. And here you say fail, and we want it in red. Again, we'll still use the same rule on the same cell. So again, conditional formatting, highlight cells, go to text that contains, and this time we are going to say pass and choose green as a color and click OK. Now, if I use a format painter and copy it all the way down, so you see fail and pass are highlighted in color. So that's one of the easiest ways to do this grading by using a simple formula and can make life better for all the teachers who do this. It could be tedious sometimes. Thank you. Have a nice day.